Discover how to experience the sleek and powerful functionality of macOS directly from your browser with the OnWorks platform. Whether you're curious about macOS or need a quick solution for accessing its environment, this online emulator offers a fast, free, and efficient way to get started. OnWorks macOS emulator, also known as Pear OS, replicates the macOS interface seamlessly. Getting started is incredibly easy. Begin by navigating to the OnWorks website and selecting the Pear OS option. With just a few clicks, the emulator will launch in your browser, providing a virtual macOS environment ready to use. One of the best parts? You don't need to install any software or worry about configuring complex systems. Everything runs smoothly from the cloud. This emulator allows you to explore macOS features, test applications, or simply get the feel of its user-friendly interface without needing a physical Mac device. With the online macOS emulator, you can access a variety of built-in apps and tools that mimic the macOS experience. Create, edit, and manage files using a familiar desktop environment. Enjoy the sleek design and intuitive navigation that macOS is known for. Perfect for developers, students, and tech enthusiasts, this tool is versatile and accessible. Plus, it's ideal for those who want to try out macOS before committing to purchasing an Apple device. So, if you're looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to experience macOS online, OnWorks Pear OS emulator has you covered. Give it a try today and enjoy the functionality of macOS from the comfort of your browser.